In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Gumroad. This process is designed to help you build your email list effortlessly, and we'll achieve this in just a few simple steps over the next few minutes. First, let's get started by logging into your Gumroad account. If you haven't already done so, head over to gumroad.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you should be at the main dashboard where you can access all your tools and functionalities on Gumroad. Next, look for the workflows section in your dashboard. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage your automated email processes. Workflows are incredibly useful for streamlining your communication with your audience, so it's worth getting to know this tool well. Now, let's set up a new workflow. Look for the new workflow button and give it a click. This action will bring up a prompt for you to name your workflow. It's a good idea to choose a name that clearly describes its purpose, such as email collection for new subscribers. This helps keep your workflows organized, especially if you plan to create more in the future. With the new workflow in place, the next step is to select the trigger event that starts the workflow. In this case, we want to choose New Subscriber. This will ensure that the workflow is activated whenever someone new subscribes to your email list. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save and Continue. This will take you to the email creation phase, which is where the magic happens. Now it's time to create your email. Start by clicking on Create Email. You'll want to craft an attention-grabbing subject line that encourages recipients to open the email. Spend some time thinking about what will resonate with your audience and spark their curiosity. Consider the timing of your email delivery. Setting the email timing to 0 hours means it will be sent immediately to new subscribers, enhancing their onboarding experience. However, you can adjust this timing based on your strategy and the nature of your message. Next, let's move on to the body of the email. This is where you communicate your message to your audience. Be clear and concise, but don't hesitate to let your unique voice shine through. Whether it's welcoming a new subscriber or offering them valuable content or discounts, make sure it aligns with the subject and your broader goals. If you have additional materials to include, like PDFs or other files, you can do this easily by clicking on Attach Files. This is a great way to provide your audience with more value right off the bat. Before finalizing your email, it's always a good practice to click Preview. This allows you to review how your email will appear to your subscribers and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit Save Changes to ensure all your hard work is securely in place. And that's it. You've successfully set up a workflow to collect emails and engage with your new subscribers right from Gumroad. Remember, building your email list is a crucial step in growing your audience and boosting your sales. Enjoy connecting with your subscribers and see your community thrive. Thank you for watching.